Western Computer offers a Power BI Fundamentals class for Business Central users. In this class, we cover the basics of getting started with Power BI. We'll give you an overview of the Power BI platform as well as the fundamentals of how to use it and publish reports to your workspace. Then we'll get into creating visual dashboards and reports. We have pre-built examples of common reports for Business Central users, and we'll show you how to take those reports and make them work for your company. Next, we'll create date tables so you can organize dates according to your accounting periods or your fiscal year. And then finally, we'll take the reports we've created and show you how to embed them back into Business Central. Who should attend this class? Any information technology pros at your company that support Business Central. First, your financial accounting team. We will use this system for creating financial statements, show you how to take those and tweak those and format them for your business. And then finally, any other Business Central Power users that you have on staff that are familiar with the Business Central data and want to do more with it. You can contact Western Computer today to schedule your Power BI Fundamentals training.